Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Cloud Gaming YT. Today we are gonna show you how to make a free intro for your YouTube channel. So let's get started. First click the link in the description below. Now you will enter into a page called Renderforest. It has many templates for YouTube intro, logo making, graphics, etc. Some of the features are paid so that you can only access it if you pay for that. There are many other features like exporting YouTube intro for free at 360p, but there is a watermark, and if you want to export a video without watermark you would just have to pay. So click on the Get Started option and there we go. As you can see, they are asking us which type of project do you want to create. As we know, we need to create an intro for our YouTube channel. So we need to click the option named Video. You can also scroll down and change the pages for more intros. Here I have chosen Cinematic Flames logo reveal as the intro. Click the video and now let's customize it. Now click the option Create Now. Now add your logo in the intro by clicking the upload option as shown. Now choose your image and adjust if you want. You can also make it rotate and filter the image color. If you want, you can give a text under the logo. Next click on Style. You can choose the animation's direction in upwards or downwards. Select anyone. If you want you can change fonts, but it is paid. Now next step is to add music. You can choose the music from here, upload it and disable the no music option if you don't want music. Now click free preview because it is free and of 360p quality. If you want high quality video, then you have to pay. Let's export the free video. We must wait until it gets exported. As you can see, we have gotten the video. Now click the download option. I have also exported in video and I will try to use it as my intro. For real, the most user-friendly website for intro making would be Renderforest for sure, and this is really cool. That's all guys. Thank you.